In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the N8n workflow efficiently and effectively, all in just 5 minutes. So, let's dive in and get you started on this powerful automation journey. First things first, open up your favorite web browser. You'll want to head over to the official N8n website to get started. As you access the site, think of N8n as your assistant, automating those repetitive tasks and connecting different applications seamlessly. This approach can really save you time and effort, giving you the freedom to focus on more critical projects. Once you're on the N8n homepage, the next thing you'll need to do is locate and click on the Sign In option. Signing in is essential because it allows you to create, manage, and save your workflows. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first. Don't worry, it's a simple process, and soon you'll have access to all the benefits that come with an account. After you're signed in, you'll want to get to the heart of the action, creating your workflow. You'll notice a plus icon. This is your gateway to building new workflows. Click on it, and you'll be presented with options. You can either select an application and the specific action you wish to automate, or if you prefer, you can start by using a template. Using a template is a great way to familiarize yourself with creating workflows, as it gives you a head start by providing pre-made structures. It's like building on top of what's already there, making it a bit easier if you're not sure where to start. Now, let's talk about one of the most critical aspects of working with workflows: debugging. Within N8n, there's an executions list designed for just that purpose. This functionality allows you to see a history of your workflow executions. It's a pretty handy tool for troubleshooting because it shows you step by step what's happening, and more importantly, where things might be going wrong. If an error occurs, don't panic. Simply use this list to isolate issues and make necessary adjustments. Viewing your execution logs can be invaluable in learning how your workflows perform and making continuous improvements. Lastly, once your workflows are operating smoothly, you might want to share them. N8n allows you to share your workflows with other users, which is particularly useful for collaborative projects or when you want to standardize processes across a team. Simply choose your method of sharing within the platform to keep everyone in sync. And that's it! You've now got the basics to start creating and managing workflows using N8n. By automating with N8n, you can streamline your tasks, solve complex integration challenges, and ultimately enhance productivity. Thank you for joining me today, and happy automating!